Hi guys, welcome back to Motor Maniacs. This is Prateek.
Hi guys, this is Akshay.
So अब Royal Enfield रुक नहीं रहा ना? It's
They don't have any plans to stop, huh?
exactly. So जो confirmed 5 models they are launching in this and next financial year. Let's start with the lowest category, which is the Goan 350 Classic. अब इसमें ऐसा क्या है? Classic 350 प्लेटफॉर्म आपने देखा है. J सीरीज इंजन उन्होंने हंटर में दे दिया, Meteor में दे दिया, स्टैंडर्ड में दे दिया, एंड
क्लासिक में तो चल ही रहा है.
अब गोवन में ऐसा क्या है? अगर आपको याद होगा, शॉटगन 650 इज अ कस्टम मोटरसाइकिल,
फैक्ट्री कस्टम.
दिस इज बेसिकली व्हाट दे आर ट्राइंग टू डू. इसमें व्हाइट वॉल टायर्स आएंगे जो अपने बड़ी हेरिटेज हार्ले में देखे होंगे. So that's what the intent to get a new zeal of customers.
हम जो 1 साल हो गया है हमारे को स्पाई पिक्स देखते हुए, हम उस बाइक को कह रहे हैं बॉबर 350. That is actually not the Bobber 350. That is going to be called the Goan 350. It is going to be a factory custom. It's going to have like ape handlebars and white wall tires. And एक Bobber की जो chassis से लगी हुई single seat होती है वो इसमें रहेगी. Of course, Royal Enfield is not chasing numbers with this. वो सिर्फ they just want to create excitement over the brand. If I'm not wrong.
Correct.
That is going to be a very good looking bike.
आप imagine करो, आप गोवा में बाइक चला रहे हो, शर्ट खुली हुई है, वही फूलों वाली शर्ट पहन रखी है, and you have a open face helmet and you're riding a bike with white wall tires. वही फील देना चाह रहे हैं वो लोग.
I'm
so I believe they are not.
You have painted a very good picture. I'm looking forward.
Moving next is Scram 440. Guys, this will be based on the 411 Scrambler, the old engine of Himalayan.
Yeah, air cooled,
but it will be a 440cc now.
Yeah,
which will obviously increase in a bit more power. I'm guessing anywhere between 30 bhp,
30, 32 maybe.
That's the good bhp. I believe
that
not
is
bad.
fine. That was required.
Yeah, you will have a relatively cheaper Scrambler for you.
Yeah.
It's a good old engine to cater the needs of budget buyer for a Scrambler.
Exactly. And that is going to be good. I think that platform, जैसे हमने पहले बात करी थी guys, that platform still has life in it. और अगर उसको सही से manipulate किया जाए तो I think जो ये करेंगे, that is going to be
19 inch and 17 inch, तो it's a good.
हाँ, it's a good combination.
भी अच्छा रहेगा.
Ground clearance भी अच्छा रहेगा.
Moving ahead, the favorite Himalayan 450 का same platform is coming as Gorilla 450.
Yeah.
Which will be more on a neo retro roadster. मैं उसे कहूँगा ऐसे Hunter 450 टाइप बाइक होगी, which will basically target Speed 400 and upcoming 457 naked bike of Aprilia.
Yes, and I believe that is again, जैसे हमने पहले भी Scrambler 400 के लिए कहा था, just might be just the perfect motorcycle for the Indian buyer and the Indian requirements. Enough power, enough ground clearance, and a socially acceptable design.
Plus the best part, Scrambler 400 का जो नहीं था, इसकी awareness and the serviceability. कहीं भी मिल जाएगी आपको.
Is going to be better, and I think ज़्यादा relatable है ये brand at the moment compared to Triumph, जिसने अभी भी इंडियन मार्केट में अपनी पहचान नहीं बनाई है, relatively speaking.
Correct. Moving ahead, Scrambler की बात कर रहे हैं. How can we forget the Bear 650?
Yeah.
Bear 650 is the Scrambler version of 650cc of Interceptor. वही इसका proper Scrambler version है, which will obviously get a 19-inch front wheels, and a 17-inch or 18-inch rear with the knobby tires. Plus the biggest change will be the 2 exhaust will be gone. It will be 2-in-1 exhaust to cater the off-roading capabilities. I believe that will be a very justified bike for India.
Exactly.
We all love the twins, the torque it makes. We just wanted a bit more ground clearance,
off-road capability,
which will this bike will cater.
This bike is going to have that. It maybe will have USDs, maybe will have regular forks. We are not sure on that.
But any which ways, Akshay, now we will think twice before buying a Scrambler 900.
Yeah.
Because this will complete every demand, and that will be, I believe, a bit more pricier than the Interceptor, but below the Super Meteor 650.
That is, I think this bike out of all the 5 bikes is the most anticipated. 2018 से लोग बोल रहे हैं कि भाई Interceptor का off-road version क्यों नहीं बना रहे आप? कितना मुश्किल है. And I think that is going to be coming soon as well.
Last but not the least, Classic 650. 650 में सब कुछ है आपके पास. You have a custom, that's the custom 650. You have a cruiser Super Meteor 650.
The cruiser is there.
Yes, shotgun. Then you have a Cafe Racer GT 650.
Yes.
You have a Interceptor 650, that's a classic bike. And you have a Classic 650. Man, एक engine, 1000 प्लेट. Same as Maruti का 1.3 DDI.
Yes.
सब में डाल दिया. And only thing is left is ADB 650, which is again, guys, confirmed R&D पे चल रही है. Himalayan 650 gonna launch by end of 2025 or maybe early 2026.
अब ये जो इनकी मूव है ना, आई एम नॉट श्योर अबाउट दिस, दे आर इतना वाटर डाउन कर दिया है इन्होंने 650cc प्लेटफॉर्म को. व्हाई डू यू नीड अ 650?
But I get you will have a niche customer for that as well.
Maybe,
देखो,
maybe.
जैसे मैं बात कर रहा था, अब हार्ले डेविडसन है Chrome.
Yeah,
I believe they will launch this engine in Chrome.
yeah, might be.
So imagine the Chrome engine of a 650 in a classic chassis.
Yeah,
Amazing.
Yeah. So that remains to be seen. I mean, this is something I am really not sure of कि ये कौन सी डिजाइन लैंग्वेज चूज कर रहे हैं या कौन सी मोटरसाइकिल का जॉनरा चूज कर रहे हैं.
Pipex आपको दिख रही होंगी. You can
Yeah.
very well imagine क्या प्लेटफॉर्म है, क्या
Yeah,
रहेगा.
yeah, yeah.
प्लेटफॉर्म तो मेरे ख्याल से सेम रहेगा सुपर मीटियोर वाला, बट इन्होंने काफी चेंजेस करे हैं to differentiate a good difference between the super meteor as well as classic 650.
सबसे जो रिलेटेबल है guys, if you search on Google 1950s Meteor 700, that used to be like a classic bullet sort of looking motorcycle but with a twin cylinder 700cc engine. That is the closest I can imagine this platform to be.
New 2 quick bites on this video. छोटी सी जो इनसाइड इंफॉर्मेशन कंफर्म्ड है. पहली, सबको पता है कि हिमालयन इज अ ऑलमोस्ट परफेक्ट बाइक्स.
Yeah.
उसमें जो इंजन थोड़ी वाइब भी है, दैट विल बी अपडेटेड सून.
Yeah.
सेकंड, द मोस्ट एंटिसिपेटेड एंड द मोस्ट वेटेड, द cross spokes, the tubeless spokes rims, which is awaiting the approval of the government of India BIS.
Yeah,
Once it's done, it will be coming as an accessory as well as on the bike.
Soon, very soon.
Yes. The other big thing, yes, it is true. Royal Enfield is working on something bigger, a 750cc engine. also.
Yes, that
They are
I
working
mean,
on it.
they are working on it. There's no denying it. And because now they feel कि 650cc platform को customers ने अपना लिया है, so now they are ready for more power.
So imagine sub 5.5 lakhs bike, a 750cc bike in India. Amazing.
Let's see. Exciting times ahead.
So guys, upcoming 5 bikes में से जो आपको बताई गई हैं, what will you choose and why? Do comment down in the section. Do share, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching guys.